Hello friends, welcome to Excel Vedas. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to extract a day, a month and a year only from a date. Also, in this video I will explain in details of the text formula and I'm sure that none of the videos will give you this many details. So watch this video till end and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's start the session. As you can see here in the first column, I have taken date of January 20. So from the date, we will try to find it out what is the day, what is the month, and what is the year. So to complete all these things, we need to use text formula. So let's see how the text formula works. So first we need to put is equal to, we have to write text, then simply you can press tab on your keyboard or you can manually give the open bracket. So I have pressed the tab, the open bracket opened, and you can see here the criteria of this formula it's showing. So what we have to in the first stage, so you can see these are the criteria that we have to fill to complete this formula. So the first command that we have to give is value. So in the place of value, what we have to select? We have to select our subject, that what we wanted to convert as a day. So I have selected date, then I have to give comma, then the second command, it's showing the format text in what order I wanted to get the result. Whether I wanted to get the result as a day or a month or year. As I told you that the text is the only formula that it you can get your day, you can get your month, you can get the year also. So here we have to give the command for the day. So when we're giving day, so always remember this point, that our command has to enter within the inverted commas. So I have to give inverted comma, and if when we wanted to find the day, we need to put D. It can be small or capital, anything that we want, you can put it, no issue. So if let's see, if you put single D, what will happen? Again you have to end the inverted comma and bracket close. So let's see what happened. Here it's showing 1, which means this is the first day of the month. So if I change this to the 13th of Jan 20, you can see it's showing here 13. That means when we are pressing, when we are giving single D, it's showing the number of day of the month. So if we give 2 time D, then what will show? It will show same thing, it only added 0 before the digit. All the single digit, whatever the single digits are there, it will get added. 10 will get added before that, you can see. So when it 10th, 11th, 10th and 11th are coming as usual. So if we give 3 time D, then what happened? Here it comes, it's not coming fully Wednesday, it's not coming like that, it's coming in the short form of the date. So it's coming like Wed, thus, instead of Thursday it's coming Thursday, instead of Friday it's coming Fri. So sometimes some people do not want to write the full form of day, so they wanted to use as a short. So if you wanted to use short form of the day, then you can enter 3 time D. So if you enter 4th time D, then so here you will get a complete result. So Wednesday, if I copy and paste the remaining cell, you can see here all the results are completely done. So here in the text formula, within the inverted comma, we have to give the command. When we wanted to find out our day, we need to give command as a D. So D, if you give 3 time, it shows your short form of the day. If you give 4th time, you will get a complete result. And as I told, 1 or single D or 2 time D, if you put, it will come as a number, the number of the month. Okay, so let's see how a month work. Similarly, text, we have to, in the value section, in the value, we have to select our subject, again comma, again format text what we want to format, as a month we want to get the result, then inverted comma, and we here we have to give m for month. So let's see, if you give single m here, then what happened? It comes 1. That means it's showing here it's which month it is. So if I change this to from Jan to 1st May 20, you can see it's showing 5. It is the, that means this is the 5th month of the year. So this is how it works. So if we give 2 time m, then it's same thing as I told here in the date section, same, it the single digit before the single digit 10 will get added. If you give 3 time, then the short form of the month will get, you will get. So if you copy and paste remaining cell, you can see all of January. If I change this from Jan to some other month, 3rd June 20, you can see here June. So if you give here 4th time m, then you will get your complete result. So whenever you wanted to get the short form of the month, you can use 3 digit 3m, or whenever you want complete month name, you can use 4 time m. So the 4th time is the maximum use here. So let's see how year works. Is equal to text, in a sub value subject we have to choose the date, then comma, then here we have to give y means year. So it is in within inverted comma. So let's see what will happen if we give y, single y. So it's showing 20 here, it will not come to a single digit because the years are, the last digits are 20. If it is 2018, then it will come 18. If it is 2017, 2000, it will come 17. So like that. So whenever the, since there is the, our subject is 20, 2020, it's showing 20. So if I change this to 2018, I can see here 2018, you can see it's coming 18. So likewise, if you give 2 time y, we will get the same result. Nothing change because there is no 0 will get added before that. So it reflect as usual. So 1 time or 2 time, it gives the same result. So when we give 3 time y, it will give the complete result. The complete result it gives. So here we no need to enter 4th time y. If you need short form of the year, you can use 2 time or 1 time. If you want your result to appear in the full form, then you can use 3 time y. So this is how we can get our day, month and year from the date by using text formula. So let's see how we can combine everything, the date, month and year within a single cell. So let's see, is equal to text bracket start tab. So let's select the value as a subject, comma, inverted comma, and here what I want day first. So let's press D. I want short form of the date. It's, I want only short form of the day, so I have given 3 time D, and I want month as well. I also want month as a short, so I'll give 3 time M, and year I want short form of the year, so I'll give 2 time Y, inverted comma end bracket close. So as a day it's coming MO in short form of the Monday, then January is the short form of the January, Jan, and 18 is the short form of 2018. So if you wanted to add some comma or hyphen or space, anything you can also give. So accordingly the result will appear here. And if you don't want year to add, you can simply delete this, and only month and only day and the month will appear. If you need only month and year, then you need to remove the day and you can add here it's January 18. So anything that you want, however you need your result to be appear, you can give the command accordingly and you will get your result. So guys, this is what all about the text formula to use to find out our day, month, year from the date. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to like and comment, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this. See you soon.